In this short video, I'd like to show you how I get set up with a homework and idle for developing code for both the labs and the homeworks. So the first thing I might do is pull up idle. And then I have the shell or the interpreter window. I also usually will have a file. And here I can run my program. So let's load this file with the second lab. So I get the second lab from the course repository, download it from GitHub. And here's the lab folder. And let's pull up the code for Lab02. So that's right here. Let's see, can I drag it? I could just copy it. Let's just copy and paste it in. It doesn't like that. Let's see if I can just open it with idle. So open with idle. Yeah, that's better. Okay, good. So we have our program. We can run it. But since there's no code, there probably won't be any output. So that's fine. So let's do the first exercise and show you how to run the doc test. Now, if you remember, since I'm developing an idle, I need to add that boilerplate code from Lab0. So let's bring up Lab0 in our browser. Take the index file, open it with Safari. And if we scroll down to the bottom, there should be this bit of doc test code that I can attach to the bottom of my program. Okay. So now I'll be able to run the doc tests simply by clicking run. Let's see what happens. And I have a bunch of val tests. Okay, so let's see if we could pass the first test just to see what that looks like. So the way I've divided up the code is that we have comments that can be removed or inserted quite easily. I would just go to Format and I can uncomment that region. Okay, and now let's do the first one or two problems. That's just converting between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So I'll bring up the second lab again. And here we go. So to cheat, we hit the solution toggle and we can just paste that code in. And let's do it for Celsius to Fahrenheit. And now I should be able to pass both of these doc tests. Let's run that. And there we go. So here's the doc test running. C to F was expecting 32.0. We hit that one. Trying C to F. 5, expecting 41. Okay, so I think I passed those several doc tests. Okay, and now the rest of the lab is to complete the remaining questions. Hope that helps. Goodbye.